The U.S. Virgin Islands, an enchanting Caribbean destination, invite travelers to bask in the beauty of its idyllic landscapes, azure waters, and vibrant culture. Comprising 3 main islands, St. Thomas, St. John, and St. Croix, this tropical paradise offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to those seeking relaxation, adventure, and exploration. St. Thomas, known for its bustling port of Charlotte-Amalie, offers a blend of history and shopping. Visitors can explore historic sites like Fort Christian, a Danish colonial-era fort-turned-museum, and indulge in duty-free shopping for jewelry, perfumes, and luxury goods along Main Street. St. John, renowned for its untouched beauty, is home to the Virgin Islands National Park, which covers 2/3 of the island's land. Hiking trails, such as the Reef Bay Trail, lead to historic ruins, hidden beaches, and stunning vistas. Trunk Bay, with its famous underwater snorkeling trail, offers a chance to explore vibrant coral reefs and marine life. St. Croix, the largest of the 3 islands, showcases a blend of cultures influenced by Danish, French, Dutch, and Spanish heritage. Christiansted and Frederiksted are charming towns that feature historical architecture, quaint streets, and waterfront views. Buck Island Reef National Monument, a short boat ride away, offers some of the best snorkeling and diving experiences in the Caribbean. The Virgin Islands offer a range of water-based activities. Visitors can indulge in sailing, yachting, and boat tours that navigate the clear waters, providing opportunities for snorkeling, swimming, and island hopping. Coki Beach, Sapphire Beach, and Megan's Bay on St. Thomas are popular spots for beach lovers, each offering its unique charm. Cultural experiences include the island's carnival celebrations, which showcase music, dance, and vibrant parades. The Cruisin' Rum Distillery on St. Croix offers tours where visitors can learn about the island's rum-making traditions and sample local spirits. The island's culinary scene is a fusion of Caribbean and international flavors. Seafood delights like conch fritters, fish tacos, and ajana cakes are staples, and local markets offer fresh produce and traditional dishes. Exploring the underwater world is a highlight of the U.S. Virgin Islands. Diving enthusiasts can explore shipwrecks, underwater caves, and coral reefs that are teeming with marine life. Snorkelers can also enjoy the beauty of the ocean at accessible sites close to the shore. In essence, the U.S. Virgin Islands offer a blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and aquatic adventures that capture the essence of the Caribbean. Whether it's exploring historical sites, lounging on pristine beaches, indulging in water activities, or immersing in island culture, the U.S. Virgin Islands invite travelers to embark on a journey that celebrates the vibrant spirit of the Caribbean.